What are the benefits of conditional discharge for someone who would otherwise face a conviction? Attorney Carl Spector says, a conditional discharge, essentially, is a diversionary program. Ordinarily, it's maybe only 1 or 2 visits to the Department of Probation. It is essentially a diversionary program whereby you do not enter into a plea of guilty, where once the conditional discharge period is over, usually 6 months or a year, depending on the judge, as long as you don't get rearrested or test positive, the case gets dismissed administratively. That's the good news. The additional good news is that your case is over. You don't ever have to face a judge again, other than to get your case dismissed. There will be no conviction. There will be no getting up in front of a judge and admitting guilt, which could be a part of a plea bargain. One of the downsides is that you can only receive a conditional discharge once in your life. If at 18 years old you used up your conditional discharge, you can't get one at 42 years old or even at 19. You can only get it once in your life. For a free consultation, call Attorney Carl Spector at 201-500-6212 or visit his website at www.nj-criminalattorneys.com.